Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips how to join and close geometry. As example, I will create simple line objects like this. And if you want to join this all lines geometry, you can type edit, press enter, and then type M to set in multiple option. Select all objects and you can press enter again. Press enter to yes, and then you can choose join. Now for the distance, I will click from this points into here, the distance. So to be automatically joins and close geometry. You also can use these tools with another geometry like arch. Okay, I will draw arch in here. And then I will draw a line in this point. The next, if you want to join, you can type edit, press enter, press M for multiple option, select all objects, enter again, and then you can use join. For the distance, I will click from this point into here. So it will be automatically join the two objects. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips number 4, how to join and close geometry. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.